In this video, you'll learn how to upload files on Microsoft Teams in just a few minutes, so you can share documents, presentations, and resources with your team easily. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. Sign in with your account, then navigate to the team or chat where you want to upload your files. Make sure you have the right permissions. Next, click on the Files tab at the top of the chat or channel. This is where all your shared files are stored, organized, and easily accessible by everyone with access to that specific Teams channel. Now, click the Upload button in the top toolbar. You can choose to upload a single file or multiple files at once. Select the documents from your computer or drag and drop them directly into Teams. After that, your files will appear in the Files tab. You can organize them into folders, rename them, or share specific files directly inside chats or channels by typing their name in any conversation. Once uploaded, your team can view, edit, or download the files. Microsoft Teams integrates seamlessly with OneDrive and SharePoint, so any changes made to a file will be saved automatically and synced for everyone. And that's it. Your files are now uploaded on Microsoft Teams, ready for smooth team collaboration.